Hi, welcome to Dorking Accident Repair Centre. Established in 1997, Dorking Accident Repair Centre is one of the longest-serving body shops to cover our hometown of Dorking and the surrounding Epsom, Guildford, Reigate and Surrey areas. At Dorking Accident Repair Centre, we have our own team of skilled craftsmen who perform car accident repairs to an exceptionally high standard using modern working techniques and equipment. We are also provided Kite Mark vehicle body repair specialists. Kite Mark approval is a recognition of our ongoing commitment to high-end car body repairs, crash repairs and dent repairs. 84% of motorists feel more confident in the services of approved Kite Mark repairers. While we have the facilities in place to handle car body repairs on badly damaged vehicles, our company is just as happy to manage smaller paintwork and dent repairs for private, fleet or trade customers. To discuss crash and car body repairs with trusted local specialists, call Dorking Accident Repair Centre on 01306 743 030